Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Notion homepage truly aesthetic, updated for 2025, so you're getting the freshest tips. If you want your workspace to look inviting and organized every time you open it, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a stunning Notion homepage that not only feels personal, but also makes everyday productivity a pleasure. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is add a homepage headline. This might sound simple, but it actually sets the whole tone of your Notion dashboard. Think of it like the welcome mat at the entrance to your digital home. Take a minute to choose a headline that reflects your style or goals. Maybe My Creative Studio, Daily Command Center, or even just your name in a fun font. To add this, just click into your Notion page and type directly at the top. If you want to go a step further, play with text size, bold, or color to make it pop. This isn't just about looking cool, it actually helps you focus when you land here, because you know you've arrived in your personal space. Next up, it's time to add a cool-looking cover. This is one of my favorite parts, because it's where you can really set the mood. Click Add Cover at the top, and Notion will offer you some default images. But honestly, I suggest uploading your own or grabbing something unique from Unsplash or Pinterest. Maybe it's a calming landscape, a vibrant abstract, or something minimal. Whatever makes you feel good when you see it. Don't worry if you're indecisive. You can always swap it out later. Many people switch up their covers with the seasons, or to reflect their current motivation. It's a small detail, but the visual atmosphere can make a big difference on busy days. Right under your cover, go ahead and add an icon. Think of this as your homepage's avatar. It's a quick way to add personality, whether you pick a cute emoji, a custom image, or something that represents your vibe. Just click Add Icon and choose what feels right. Sometimes users like to match the icon to their cover or pick something relevant to their focus. A coffee cup for hustle mode, a book for study space, whatever suits your mood. Tiny, but it helps your homepage stand out in the sidebar, especially if you have lots of Notion pages. Here's where Notion gets really flexible. You can add anything you want. Take a second and really think about what would make your homepage useful for you. Do you want quick links to your main projects? An inspirational quote for motivation? Maybe a mini to-do list right on the front page. Don't be afraid to experiment. Building your homepage is a creative process, and Notion makes it super easy to rearrange or update things as your needs evolve. Let's say you want to add a navigation menu next. This is a fantastic way to keep your Notion workspace organized, especially if you've got tons of different pages. Simply add a column or a set of links to your most used areas, maybe tasks, reading list, budget, or whatever categories you need. You can use text links, emojis, or even create a pretty toggle list. A good navigation menu saves you time and keeps your workflow smooth, so don't skip this step. When you're ready for a little more power, create a database. This is where Notion really shines. Databases let you track anything from tasks, ideas, resources, or even personal reflections. You can choose a table, board, or gallery layout, depending on your style. Take a few moments to think about what you need to organize. Maybe your weekly goals, a content calendar, or client lists. It's okay if it takes a bit to find the best setup. Once you get the hang of it, databases are a total game changer. Now, let's sprinkle in some web bookmarks. These are perfect for saving all your most used sites right where you can find them. Think your email, favorite design resource, or even YouTube channels for inspiration. Just paste the link and Notion will magically create a sleek bookmark card. It's like having sticky notes, but way more stylish. Don't forget to add a video. This could be a motivational message, a study playlist, or even your favorite TED Talk. Embedding videos in Notion is simple and makes your homepage come alive. Just hit the Embed block, paste your link, and voila. So there you have it. All the tools and tweaks to make your Notion homepage look aesthetic and feel uniquely yours. Remember, creativity is the key here. There's no one right way, just whatever makes you happy every time you open Notion. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like. Drop any questions in the comments. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity hacks. Have fun creating your aesthetic homepage, and see you in the next video.